the swapping of genetic material to improve the adaptability of a species. But getting together is anything but easy. The seduction, the courtship, the commitment. It's all part of an intricate dance originated millions of years ago and choreographed over countless generations. So why all the fuss? Why don't humans simply do as an amoeba does? Need more amoebas? Just split in two. Well, if all we wanted was to make exact copies of ourselves, that is exactly what we would do. But humans, along with practically the entire animal kingdom, want more out of life than to simply survive. We're built to thrive, and mixing up genes through sexual reproduction is the best way to do it. The dance may begin with an attractive sight, a smell, a touch. Soon enough, the heart beats faster, blood pressure rises, breathing accelerates, skin gets flushed. And whether or not baby making is on the agenda tonight, the baby making machinery is rearing to go. Every second of every day, a man produces more than 1,000 sperm. That's 60,000 sperm per minute, or 14 million during the course of an evening. They may only be about 2/1000ths of an inch long, but 300 million are always ready to fulfill their life's mission to fertilize one of these. Unlike a man, a woman is born with her allotment of sex cells. About 1 million of them. Only about 400 eggs will ever get released. Less than half the sperm cells a man produces every second. Once the egg is pushed out of the ovary each month, it's swooped into the fallopian tube for about a day. Life's window of opportunity. If no suitor appears, the egg dissolves. But far more interesting is what happens when one does. Of the millions of sperm engaged in this genetic race, only a few will defy all the odds and glimpse the finish line. And as the body's smallest cells meet the largest, only one will make it across. There was a time just a few centuries ago, back when scholars were first peering at sperm through their microscopes, that we thought every sperm cell had a fully formed miniature person inside called a homunculus. We now confidently know this is not the case. Deep within each of the body's 100 trillion cells is a complete blueprint for a human being, a genome. Here, our DNA molecules are tightly packaged into bundles called chromosomes. Each cell has 23 pairs of chromosomes. Sperm and egg cells, though, only have half a blueprint each. They need each other. And during that fateful meeting, their DNA fuses, mingling mom and dad's genetic traits. For several days, the fertilized egg journeys through the fallopian tube towards the uterus, growing and dividing along the way. About 20 hours after fertilization, it divides into 2 cells. In 48 hours, 4. 12 hours later, it's 8 cells. And by 72 hours, it's 16. Each of the new cells is genetically identical to the original.